How to add a spouse to health insurance. Out-of-pocket expenses are any costs you would have to pay somehow. These are the costs not covered by either your employer or the plan yourself. Every health insurance plan has some out-of-pocket expenses to consider. If you, as the employee, get married, you are allowed a special enrollment period so you can add your spouse to your employer health insurance plan. Premiums. Some premiums are covered entirely or partly by the employer. Compare the actual premium costs you have to pay between the plans. In some cases, your employer may pay the employee's premiums, but not the additional spousal premiums. Deductibles. Deductibles are any of the partial costs you have to pay for a specific service before the insurance company will reimburse you the rest. For example, your insurance may only cover 80% of your prescription costs, therefore 20% of those costs are out of pocket. Plan maximums. Each portion of every health insurance plan usually has an annual and lifetime maximum you can be reimbursed for. For example, your insurance plan may cover massage therapy up to $1,000 per year. If you plan to go above the maximum of any portion of your plan, take that into account as an out-of-pocket expense. Copayments. Copayments are similar to deductibles. They are the out-of-pocket expenses you have to pay up front to see a doctor or specialist. Some health insurance plans have different levels of copays based on who the coverage is for. For example, employee versus spouse, how many times you've been so far that plan year, and if it's a family doctor versus a specialist. Spousal surcharges. Some employers have added a surcharge to their health insurance plans when a spouse, who already has health insurance, wants to be added to the plan. Therefore, if your spouse already has health insurance through their employer, it may cost extra to add them to your plan. You can find all the details about your specific health insurance plan via your employer's Human Resources Department. Most employers or health insurance companies also provide detailed information about their plans on websites. Some of these websites may require login ID and password in order to access, and it is most likely also the same website where you signed up for your health benefits in the first place. Review your employer's or health insurance company's requirements for making changes due to getting married or the loss of other insurance coverage. At the very least, they most likely require one or more forms to be completed. Gather all the required documentation and complete all forms as indicated. If you have an employer health insurance plan, but that plan doesn't meet certain minimum requirements, you may be able to purchase health insurance via the marketplace, but you will have to pay full price. A household is considered someone who is the tax. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Check the description below and thank you so much for watching.